If I gave you a way to earn $500 per day just by pressing a button, would you take it? What if I gave you a system that causes serious cash to flood into your bank account 24/7, 365? Would you grab it? If you knew that this way would make you richer than the next 10 people on your block combined, would you run to it? If you knew that if you took this path, you would have more money than you know how to spend, would you hold on to that for dear life, or would you let it slip through your fingers? We're about to answer these questions and find out for sure if that entrepreneur spirit inside you is really ready to burst free. And if you think having that kind of money is impossible or just a bunch of hype, you need to listen very closely to every word I have to say until the end, because at the end, there's a very special surprise for you that'll make this all very real. Imagine a bank account that's constantly being filled with Ben Franklin's, hour after hour, day after day. Cash just keeps pouring in. You walk up to that bank, enter your PIN, and withdraw $500. And come back for more whenever you want. To access the cash, all you need is a debit card and a PIN, right? You need the card because it provides structure. It makes that virtual bank account real. It makes the connection. And you need the PIN because information is the key to unlocking all your dreams for the future. Well, I want to give you access to both as a gift just to whet your appetite. Really, though, that's just a taste. $500 a day is chump change compared to what's possible. And just to prove my point, I'm willing to give you a virtual money machine of your own, no strings attached. I call it Website ATM because just like entering a PIN, all you have to do is hit a button and it's like you've got an endless supply of cash. This automatic transaction maker sucks money directly into your bank account. It's like having an ATM that you can access anytime you need cash. To get the cash, you have to do absolutely nothing. You have to know absolutely nothing. And with this site, you can be absolutely anything. It doesn't matter. Website ATM will do all the work for you, and I mean all. And just to prove it, I created a video that'll walk you through claiming your own website ATM worth over $500 per day or more, and you only need to do one thing.
500, 1,000, even 2,000 a day. I entered my PIN, took out $500, and that's what I realized what I found. It's 100% effective and automated. I didn't have to design and code the website. I didn't have to fool with plugins. I didn't have to source the products. I didn't have to advertise. Then I pushed a button and built my first site. That's how easy it was. Nick, I love you. Thank you so much.
Hi Nick, Richard from Redmond. I have tried tens of make money online products. I haven't made a shoelace worth of money. Then I find your site, Nick, and I'm making money before I even buy anything. And when I did buy, I made even more. For the first time in my life, I bought something online and I got way more than my money's worth. The bonuses were amazing. The service has been fantastic. And you guys really deliver. I was doing almost 600 a day. You can imagine how quickly I grabbed the upgrade. Nick, I owe it all to you, man.
The website ATM literally saved our lives. We were collecting unemployment and it was about to run out. I didn't have any jobs lined up. My husband Chris was dealing with medical problems. We just didn't have any prospects, and at that time I tried 2 other online systems and both failed miserably. When I heard about website ATM, it seemed surreal. It's just the idea of a computer doing all that work for you. I just wanted to see it for myself. We had less than $200 left in our savings, but you know, we'd be able to tell if it was working right away and get our money back if it didn't, so we went for it. Just the idea of being able to click a button and have a money-making website built, I had to do it. 6 days later, that site had made $3,700, and just like that, we weren't worrying about bills anymore.
Put your name and email address in the box below, watch the next video, choose your PIN, and then get ready for the ride of your life. If you want the $500 per day website, you need to put your email address below. If you don't, the form will deactivate, and your chance at this hot new automated money-making machine will be gone forever. Put your name and email address below, and let's get this party started. All you need to do, again, enter your name and email, and it's yours. And by the way, once you get there, listen for the ding, because the video is going to count down from 10, and when you hear that last ding, you'll have access to your website ATM. So pay close attention when you get to the next page. After you enter your name and email address, whatever you do, don't click away. Don't even look away from the screen, because what I'm about to say will completely change your life. With your website ATM, you can make the exact same kind of money I do, the same way I do. Put your name and email address below right now to get your free money-making website and $500 a day cash money. Name and email address. Do it now.